Yeah, what's popping? Just a little trade breakdown for you. Yeah, two trades. One made a mistake, took a loss. Second, recouped my loss. Um, I'll go over I'll go over everything. So, everything for me starts on the weekly. Weekly is clearly bullish order flow with order flow down here, yet we have this weekly C2C. So there's potential for weekly to be retracing into fair value gap, daily liquidity, all that kind of stuff. Daily order flow is bullish and being kind of weird as this Friday candle wicked our rejection block or change state and delivery level. Yet on the 4 hour, on that end of day, we closed below it. I'm still following this daily close and still anticipating bullishness unless we close past this daily change in state of delivery, which is very possible, but we'll see how the day goes. Um, so right now, daily bullish. 4 hour is bearish order flow, yet we have this consolidation here with this two inside bars, and we came below it at 2 a.m. So I'm anticipating price to run the high of this consolidation if 1 hour supports it. What also supports my idea of 4 hour running this high of the consolidation is that the daily open, we haven't run any previous session highs. So for me, my 4 hour anticipation is quite bullish for the 6 a.m. candle. 1 hour, we have C2, C3. So we could have been trading C4 for higher. Where I made my mistake was after we closed C3, I looked at the 15-minute time frame and saw that we were in a consolidation. So then I was anticipating 15-minute C2Cs and C3s to be expansive. As well, we're in a 5-minute consolidation as well with these inside bars a majority. So my mistake was trading the 1 minute after we closed C2C. From 9 to 9:15, we closed the C2C. And in this 9:15 to 9:30 a.m. candle, I trade the intercandle changes to delivery, where because we have 1 hour range and 1 hour swing formation, I should have been looking at 5 minute in relationship to this 9 a.m. candle. So I took a loss in this 9:15 a.m. candle. I'll show you. Entered here and then, yeah, took a loss on the way down, which is fine. And then we had that 5 minute um, intercandle change state of delivery here at 9:35. So I was looking at buying this. I was still feeling a bit whatever from my last trade. So I decided not to enter and we get the retest and expansion. Ultimately, we're looking for this top orange line here. Um, so I didn't take that trade, but then we hadn't reached it, this liquidity draw up here by a new entry. So because I no longer have a 1 hour swing formation as we're in C5, I can be looking at 15-minute phase of price and swing formations to be supporting higher. 15-minute order flow is bullish, and 10 to 10:15 we form this C2C on the Dow and on NQ. So I'm looking for this C3 10:15 to 10:30 AM candle to be expansive. I am just looking to recoup my loss here. So I'm looking at 1 minute intercandle change state of delivery in this 10:15 AM candle. So this is kind of a fun little strength switch, how to trade that middle pair as NQ is the leader, ES is the middle pair, and Dow is the lagger. But if we get strength switch on intercandle change state of delivery, which we do here at 10:22, where YM intercandle changes state of delivery here, ES does and NQ doesn't. So that's kind of weird. But because YM did, I now think that the middle pair is likely to be the expansive one. So I entered in this next 1023 candle and show you. So I entered in here and then it was really just a 1-to-1. I took same risk as before, and I just looked to recoup my loss. So that was my trade. And yeah, we'll see. I'll be done now because the next trade would be from 11 to 12. I don't usually trade that. Um, but yeah, hopefully it was insightful. And for sure, I'll be doing better next time in relationship to because we've won our ranges and we are in 1 hour swing formations. I'll be looking for that 5 minute rather than dropping all the way to the 15 minute and getting stopped out. So in the future, tomorrow will be better. All right, peace.